Have you ever wondered about the intricacies behind the Israeli-Palestinian conflict? Today we delve into the timeline of this complex issue that has spanned over a century. In the late 19th century, tensions began to simmer between the Jewish and Arab communities in Palestine. Fast forward to 1948, and the State of Israel was birthed, sparking the First Arab-Israeli War. The conflict didn't end there. Rising tensions led to the Six-Day War in 1967, followed by the Yom Kippur War in 1973. The Camp David Accords, signed in 1979 between Egypt and Israel, marked a significant milestone, but the quest for Palestinian self-determination and self-governance remained unresolved. This unresolved status led to the First Intifada in 1987, a Palestinian uprising against Israeli rule. The Oslo Accords followed in 1993 and 1995, aiming to establish a peace process. The turn of the millennium saw the Second Intifada, a period of intensified Israeli-Palestinian violence. This resulted in the construction of a barrier wall around the West Bank and increased factionalism among Palestinians. Hamas, an Islamist political organization, won the Palestinian Authority's parliamentary elections in 2006. This victory ignited violent confrontations between Hamas and Fatah, another major Palestinian political party. By 2014, a unity government was formed. However, tensions continued to escalate. Clashes in 2014 culminated in a military confrontation between Israel and Hamas. The violence persisted into 2015, and in 2018, the U.S. administration further stirred the pot by canceling funding for the UN Relief and Works Agency and relocating the U.S. Embassy to Jerusalem. In a surprising turn of events, the Abraham Accords were brokered, normalizing relations between Israel and Bahrain, the United Arab Emirates, Morocco, and Sudan. However, the Israeli-Palestinian conflict remained unresolved. In May of 2021, protests erupted following the eviction of Palestinian families in East Jerusalem. This led to rocket attacks by Hamas and retaliatory Israeli airstrikes. After 11 intense days, a ceasefire was agreed upon, but not before casualties were suffered on both sides and many Palestinians were displaced. So to summarize the key points, the Israeli-Palestinian conflict dates back to the late 19th century and has seen numerous wars, uprisings, and peace accords. The quest for Palestinian self-determination remains a significant issue, and recent events have only added fuel to the fire. Despite attempts at peace and normalization of relations with other Middle Eastern countries, the core issue remains unresolved. Understanding this timeline and the events that have led us to the present day provides a clearer picture of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. It's a testament to the enduring struggles and the quest for self-determination that have marked this land for over a century. This understanding is crucial for anyone seeking to comprehend the complexities of the conflict and the ongoing quest for peace in the region.